Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo. Welcome to the channel. Today I've got something different, but it's kind of the same. Today we're taking a look at the Monster Clarity 8.0 True Wireless Earbuds with active noise cancellation. So these earbuds have 11mm drivers, so they're going to have solid bass. They are Bluetooth 5.2. You get 10 hours of playtime per charge and an additional 50 hours when using the case to charge. So these bad boys get excellent battery life. So inside the case, you get the user manual. And also it has, forgot to say, these have a Monster app that you can use and adjust your EQ settings and things like that. They also have a Find My Earbuds, kind of like the AirPods. So if you do misplace them, you'll be able to find them via the app, which is awesome. Then you got here, what is this? Looks like warranty cards. And then again, this is your user manual. And then you get, let's do this. We've got a USB-C to the USB-A charging cable, and you get your ear tips, small, medium, and large. Medium installed from the factory. And again, here are the earbuds. You get nice little headphone logo right there in the front. Hopefully you can see, but there is an LED indicator light. Let's see that it lights up. Let's know that you have some battery life in the case. And you get your USB-C port on the back for charging. This is a clamshell design. It's got a matte, like chalky white look to it. Very nice. Again, it's a matte texture, very grippy. So these shouldn't be sliding out of your hands, your pockets, or anything like that. And there goes the earbuds. I like that silver finish right there. That's kind of matte. Again, you've got the Monster logo. The little headphones, and again, this is a clamshell design. Now let's do a magnet check, see how well these are held into the case. I would say that's pretty good. They held in there nice and nothing fell out, so I like that. Here are the earbuds. You've got a left, hopefully you can see that. That's a little left branding right there, so you know what side ear they're for. And also, again, I like when they do that because it makes them look a little more premium. And you've got your charging pins right there. Very, very nice. Let's check how they fit real quick. One on the right ear, the left. They fit pretty good. Again, they've got the medium ear tips in them from the factory. They fit me nice. Got a nice seal. Very nice. Again, you can hear those. You can hear them snap back into place. That magnet is really strong. So let's pair this with my phone real quick. So make sure you got Bluetooth on your phone. Have the earbuds nearby and your phone should see it just like that. Once it sees it, hit connect and you are paired. There you go. Let's turn that down some. Super easy to connect. And let's see how they sound. Put them back in. Again, these have 11mm drivers, so I'm expecting a lot of bass. Nice. I wish you guys could hear this because it sounds very nice. Plenty of bass, but everything else sounds really clear. The mids and highs are clear. It's not muddy at all. Again, these have noise cancellation. They are touch control. So I just turned on noise cancellation and it does a good job blocking out some of that unwanted noise, like the hissing and things that you can hear. Now it's just crystal clear. Just the music is all I can hear. Very nice. Again, it's on the bass heavy side, but it's not overpowering the mids and highs. Sounds very good. So for like watching movies, Netflix, YouTube, listening to audiobooks, listening to podcasts, I think these would be very good for that. Unfortunately, there's no low latency game mode or anything like that, but for casual gaming, I believe these should be okay. I'll have to try it out. And see. But I don't really game much on my phone, so it's not really something that I do. But overall, sound clarity on these is excellent. So again, guys, these are touch control. Everything seemed to work very nice. There's no like phantom touches or anything like that. When I paused and played, everything worked as it should. There's no lag or anything like that. So I think these are awesome. So some final thoughts, guys. If you guys are in the market for some new earbuds, definitely check these out. These sound great and the build quality is on point and they won't break the bank. I picked these up for right around 50 bucks, I believe it was. And I'll put some links in the description in case you want to check them out. Just a heads up, the Amazon link is an affiliate link. So if you use the link to make a purchase, I will receive a small commission and you help support the channel at no additional cost. It's very much appreciated. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you found value in this video and like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.